No. Ow! Get. Come here. No. Not like that.
Ow. Thanks for getting it up my nose.
Whatever. I was gonna give you a nice, sweet little kiss.
Have you ever seen this movie?
This is Pocahontas.
It's Brother Bear.
It is?
I hate Pocahontas.
Hey, that's my favorite Disney movie.
Okay.
Just kidding, Cinderella's. No. Stop.
Doesn't hurt.
Yeah, it does.
No.
Look,
I don't want
we're
to.
beautiful.
I have a toothache.
Toothache? Cavity.
No, I don't have cavities ever.
Mm-mm. You smell like shit.
Thanks.
There's Missy! Puppy!
Oh, sorry.
I was just kidding about the whole thing. I love you.
This is another way